Greetings, Earthlings! My name is Zero Jake and welcome back to Space Engineers, where the lights are being a bit flickery. Right. Oh yeah, that's probably because I'm moving the ship around, isn't it? Instead of moving the camera. Yes, so what have I done? Well, all the engines are now ready. As you can see, all of them are a nice purple tinge. But that's not the only thing I did. Right, so if we go out... Don't know why I have my lights on. Right, so if we go out, you can see, oh look, there's a new ship. It's the grinder ship. Yes, I finished construction of the grinder. Mainly because, well, it took a while. But yeah, the holographic construction that we used last episode was very nice. So let's turn off the hangar bay, and I'll show you what hopefully remains of the ship itself. Right, so this is the holographic ship. It's got, well, I added some thrusters to it so it would stay there because, you know, the landing gear can be a bit off. So we've got a reactor which currently has some fuel in it, 2 uranium, and it's also got a holographic projector. Now, what I want to do, thank you. What I want to do is I want to put this thing called a remote control block on. What the remote control block will do is, you know, as it says, allows you to remote control the block. So if we weld this up, and then we weld a antenna to it, so I'll just flip this around, place it there. So then what I can do is I can go into, and yeah, I'm going to turn on my lights because it's very hard to see. So what I can do is I can go into my inventory and then select Small Grid 2547, which is also known as the hologram ship. What should I call this? The projector ship small, because it's a small projector ship instead. Right, so that should be a different name now. So if I close this, open it back up again, projector ship small. Now, what I do is I go into remote control, and then I click control, and then instead of I'm moving my mouse, nothing's happening. I can then press space, well, P first to unlock the landing gear, and I can control the ship. Oh, look at that! That's hilarious. That's cool, isn't it? I can now control this ship without having to be in it. However, we don't have any gyroscopes, which is something that we need to get. Because look. Right. Let me lock that in position, and then what do I do to undo it? Uncontrol? Is there an uncontrol? There we go. Press T to uncontrol. Right. So I can control the ship, but I forgot to put gyroscopes on it. So we need... No, not Fyro. Gyro. Gyroscope. What do we need for those? Steel plate, construction component, steel tube, motor, computer. Just let me faff around with the inventory for a second. 2 gyroscopes should do. Motor, computer. Right, that should do. Right, let's place these gyroscopes on. So we want 1, 2, 3. Oh, I need more construction components, obviously. Also, one other thing that we want is a camera. So, a camera we can use to actually see through the eyes of the ship, which is a very good idea. We need more computers as well. Construction component. Yeah. Computers. So we probably want to rotate it so that, you know, it's facing upwards. You need more steel tubes. I thought I welded that. Oh, of course you won't. Thank you. God. Right. There we go. Right, that's everything built. Let's rotate the camera, actually. There we go. Right, so we've now outfitted this thing so that we can move it by ourselves, and we're going to delicately, delicate being the key word, put it into the hangar bay. Right, so I want to move my guy into a position. Well, no, I don't even need to be there, do I? Right, so let's go. Projector ship small. Go to remote control and control. And then we want camera 2 over here. I want to view. Then we can see through the camera. It's kind of a bit foggy. But then I should be able to move around. Oh. Don't glide along the surface of the ship. And then I should just be able to dock it. However, I have no clue if I'm about to hit anything. Right, so let's turn around. Do this. Down. Lock landing gear. And T to exit camera view. Excellent. Right, we now have this antenna ship. Well, this projector ship that can be remote controlled so that it can move anywhere that it wants to. And this also means that it will make sure that any ships that are connected to it don't fall off into the abyss. That's very nice. We now have 4 ships, well 5 ships in our arsenal. We have a miner, a grinder, a welder, and a projector, and of course the Surveyor Mark 1. Well, that's kind of the basics of any kind of fleet. So, I think it's time to go to the next level. The next level being, we want to go to planets, because planets are fun. Now, the reason why I've been putting off doing planets is because, well, I don't have a legitimate reason, really. So yeah, planets are a thing, and it will happen soon. But I want to get some more resources, and I possibly want to be able to do something else. I'll be back in a second once I've got my mind together. Okay, I know I want a azimuth ore detector for the main ship. Now, the reason for this is that I don't want to have to scan around with my mining ship to find stuff to mine, whereas what I can do with this is I can just scan around for stuff with my surveyor ship and survey, which is what it's supposed to do. Now, this azimuth ore detector is going to require quite a bit of room, and also quite a bit of resources, so it needs 1,500 steel plate to start with. Yeah, let's actually go. So we need 1,500 steel plate, 145 detector components. Right, let's get this sorted. Welder ship is moving out. Want to access the cargo. Oh god, that was a bit spinny. Whee! I don't know why I'm doing that. Right, let's get over to the docking port. Get down, there we go. Lock in position. Right, okay. Now, we need 1,500 steel plate. Oh look, we've got enough. No, that. We also need... what was it? 5. We need 215 construction component. 215. We need a ton more detector components, so let's get on that. Detector components. Let's get 200 of those on the run. Yes, the detector components. How many computers? We need 60 computers, 24 motors. Computers, thank you. 60, not 16. And we'll also get 60 motors, because why not? And then we want 150 detector components. Is that everything? Yes, okay, right. Detach, unlock. Let's go out to the front of the ship. Move into a good position, and then I just need like 1 steel plate in my inventory. Yeah, let's grab that. What angle do we want it facing? Do I like this? Do we want it like this? Well, I guess this is the way I presume it's meant to be, but I'll go this way. Right, plunk it down. Get in the welder ship wherever it's gone. There we go. Get closer. Start welding. Excellent, right, so that should mean this is fully completed. Yeah, oh my god, that's a lot of components. Right, let's, how much stuff do we have inside? Okay, yeah, we'll drop those off. That's the wrong side of the ship. Go over to the other side. Approaching docking port 1. There we go. Lock. Get here. There we go. Everything's off. Turn those off. Get out. And dock. And down. Park. Turn off. There we go. Excellent. I should probably turn off this guy as well. Projector ship. Oh no, because then I won't be able to access it. Yes. So where is... Oh no, what I want to do is I want to take it out of the reactor, don't I? Yeah. Take that. That's now turned off. Should still be parked. Good. Right. So now that we've got that, we can start moving. Activate the force field. Get inside. I want to throw this into the reactor. There you go. We should be... How long does this reactor last for? 5 days currently. It's not long, though I suppose we do mine everything else. Right, let's go. Azimuth ore detector, toggle on and off. It's currently on, and we can see, oh, a source of Naquita, 5,000 meters away. So this thing has a range of 5,000 meters, which is pretty good. It allows us to see what's there. So we have platinum there, we've got some trinium and silver, all good things, and cobalt as well. We probably want to pick some of that up. We've got uranium. Good, right, now it's a proper surveyor instead of just being, you know, a shed. Right. So, I have the coordinates for the new system locked in. Jump coordinates locked in. Preparing hyperwave transmitter. Jumping in 3, 2, 1.